Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One day Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked his companions, "Do you know what a bankrupt is?" They said, "The bankrupt among us is he who has no money." Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Indeed, the bankrupt is the man who will come on the day of judgment, whose good deeds will be like mountains. But some people will come there. Someone will say that he abused me, someone will say that he slandered me, and someone will say to Allah that he looted my property, someone will say that he killed me unjustly." Brothers and sisters, Allah said in the Quran, "On that day everyone will see what he has done in the world. Every doer of good will be rewarded with good, and the doer of evil will be punished in the scales of justice. Then good deeds of this man will be given to all people until when his good deeds is over, their sins will be laid on him. All his virtues will be end. The reward of prayers will be end. The reward of paying charity will be end. The reward of fasting will be end. Then he will be thrown in hell. Those who are unjust, transgressing, killing unjustly, seizing lands, plundering properties, and those who are associated with them should follow the teachings of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Otherwise, they will be really bankrupt on the day of judgment. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the ability to fulfill the rights of human beings in this world according to the teachings of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.